I want to talk about these FIT peptides from Make Wellness. If you're looking for a way to boost your recovery, you might want to give these a shot. If your workouts have been leaving you sore for days, this is what I've been using for a faster recovery. This Make Wellness FIT Peptide daily supplement. It's designed to support recovery and tone. It comes convenient single-serve packages, you see right here. Easy. Just mix one with water. That's it. Dissolves quickly, and it has a clean orange flavor. No weird aftertaste whatsoever. What stands out about it? Bioactive peptides, vitamin D3 and magnesium for recovery and metabolism, and it's designed to reduce post-workout soreness and keep you moving. I like using this after workouts on active days when I know my body needs support. I usually mix it with some water right after the gym, or sometimes I'll mix it into my yogurt, which is a really nice way to do it. If you're looking for a faster recovery to stay consistent in your training, you might want to give this a shot.
If you'd like to try some for yourself, click on the link in the description below.